Hey guys, my name is Jamie. I'm the creator of Paradise Down, a manga published in Saturday AM.
This is more of a let's draw, so it's more of a free-form format. It's not really a tutorial like the other ones, like the manga background, but I am looking to do more of those. Is there anything you guys want to learn or see? And comment down below. I'll be happy to make a video on it going forward. The game I spent the most time on was Pokemon Gold. I was a pretty young kid. It was right around the time it was first released. I ended up racking like some crazy amount of hours. I think it was like 350 hours. And even though I've stayed a lifelong Pokemon fan, I've never racked up that same amount of hours or time as I did with that one. And it's just something about that region that I really love. So I thought I'd give a little tribute by drawing Lugia. Now, me myself, I got Pokemon Gold. All my friends had Silver at the time, and they were giving me such a hard time for it. I was like the pariah in the group because I didn't have Silver. But personally, I thought Ho-Oh was cooler than Lugia. The first Pokemon game I myself played was Pokemon Blue, and the very first starter I ever picked was Bulbasaur. And ever since then, following every incarnation of Pokemon, regardless of which cartridge I got, I would always pick the grass starter. It's become almost a tradition, in a sense. You know, I picked Chikorita, I picked Snivy, and all the other ones in between. And I don't know, I'd still have a lot of fond memories, so this was a lot of fun to work on. For those who don't know, I'm working on Sketchbook Pro. I would definitely recommend it to any artist who wants to get into the digital field. Or who simply wants to save some money, because I myself still use Copics and I still think nothing can beat that, but man, are they brutal on the wallet. So the good thing about Sketchbook Pro is that they have a Copic library in it, which is one of the reasons why I chose it as my main program when I color my pieces from now on. So there's no real guessing games when it comes to the color. I can just simply click on the library and it basically has the same amount of selections and the same kind of colors as I would if I just had a fresh pack of Copics in front of me. I'm a huge Pokemon fan. Anyone who's met me at the Saturday AM conventions can attest to this. I have this Bulbasaur tattoo on my left arm. It's like right around my elbow. I freaking love the franchise. I still collect the Pokemon cards. The last one I played, I think, was Sun and Moon. I was thinking about playing the Ultra ones, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, I was even thinking about for the channel playing some stuff. But again, since this is primarily an art channel, I was thinking about giving it like an art twist. Like, hey, let's draw every Pokemon we catch. But I don't know. If that's something that sounds interesting to you guys, let me know and I'll do it. I do have an idea though, and it'd be more so about character design that could even turn into a tutorial, but basically is that I would need you guys to comment and give like 3-word suggestions. An example would be like pumpkin, maybe like a personality trait like shy, or even an object like sword. And I would feature that comment, and basically I would have to, you know, create and design a character revolving around that theme suggested by you guys. And if anything, we could even add like an art homework, so to speak, where I would issue the challenge, or whether it's the same or not, issue the challenge back to you guys, and I would feature the artwork in the upcoming videos from there on out. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a cool way to stay connected, because a lot of these they really help to keep us de-stressed and grounded. For anyone who knows, I'm with Saturday AM. It's an indie manga company, and the last convention we had was out in Cleveland, and we were just slammed by this snowstorm. I was the first one out there, so it was just me holding down the fort for a whole day, and it was rough, man. It was really rough. I mean, it was great meeting a lot of the people who love our stuff, and it was a nice way to interact with people. But man, that snowstorm was rough. It was my first time really outside of New York, so it was just crazy from start to finish. but doing stuff like this really helps to de-stress from the everyday grind. And because of how lonely comics are when you're working on it, because it's just you really don't receive any criticism or feedback aside from social media. So this type of stuff really helps. You'll see me switch between programs, primarily between Sketchbook Pro and Clip Studio. For Lugia and the waves and the rocks and such, I use Sketchbook Pro, but for the background, I thought Clip Studio was just so much better for the watercolor. They have just better brushes for it, and they have this really cool airbrush texture to it that makes it seem almost like a starry night type of thing that I thought would be great for the piece. Both are great programs. I'd suggest them for sure. For Sketchbook Pro, let me just say that I'm not sponsored, so I don't think I'm trying to push a product on you guys. It's just a suggestion from an artist to artist. Sketchbook Pro has this nice free trial, so you don't have to commit to anything. I think Clip Studio doesn't have that. I think Clip Studio is like you just gotta pay up front. But yeah, definitely go with Sketchbook Pro if you're into Copics, but don't want to spend over $300 on a set. I might do a tutorial on the best way to color with Copics, whether it be traditionally or digitally. I think it'd be a fun way to tackle. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. I love these kind of videos. I do have an Etsy, so if you guys want to buy any prints, go right ahead. The link will be in the description. And as always, take care.